Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and this tutorial is about to change color of logo. So guys, if you're done with your logo and you don't like the default color of the logo in templates, you can change it very easily. How will you change? You don't need to confuse about that. Just simply you have to go on palette. In this palette you can select your favorite color, which color you like for your logo. There are so many suggestions you can select for your logo, and you can customize your logo very easily. So guys, this is how to change logo color on wix.com. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.